Hi there. Where you going? What a big boy you are. Hi. Say hi, Pawpaw. Hi, Nana. Hi, anybody else who watches this video. Where you going? Oh, into the suitcase? Where you going?
Where you going?
Say hi, Jillian.
Hi.
Hi, Butters. Where you going? Where you going? Hi, the big boy. Jillian let go of his foot. Thank you. Hi. Where you going, Garrett? Jillian, come on, honey. He's got no time for loving. He's just on the move. Where you going? What's he doing? Be careful. Bye-bye, Garrett. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Are you going to stand up? But careful, be careful. Careful. I'm going to see if he's going to stand up. Nope. Bye-bye.